Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I'm super excited y'all because the company WISKF asked me to do another video for y'all with their bags. They're beautiful bags. They're linen style bags. They're a canvasy linen bag and they're beautiful. They have a huge inventory and I'll have all the details below. Go to their website to see. Their bags are $5.99. They start at $5.99. And this bag right here, I got this bag for myself. I chose this one for myself. I just love it. Now Smudge's head is right here in case you're seeing two black cats, okay? This is 16 inches wide, okay? And then from the top to the bottom, it's about 15.5 inches. And then there is a 14-inch drop on the handle, from the top of the handle to here. So you can easily put it over your shoulder and hold it tight to you. And it is just a lovely bag. You can see the stitching on it. Anything you want, there's the stitching. See how nice that's done? Very nice. And you can get anything, any kind of hobby, any kind of artwork that you like, any kind of pet. You can find all kinds of designs. And like I said, this one, I just loved it. Now, the last time I showed you bags, I think they might have all been cats. I don't remember if they all were, but I gave one away. And they saw that video and they thought that was so neat. So they said, let's send you some more bags and do another giveaway. So they let me choose what I'm going to give away. So I'm just excited about it because I think these bags are so nice. For $5.99, you can't beat them. You know, this kind of thing nowadays, a lot of places, a lot of towns and municipalities and all won't allow bags. So no plastic bags, no paper bags. So you have to carry your own bags, or they will have bags, but they'll charge you, I don't know, 10, 15, 20 cents for a bag. So if you have your own bag, you don't have to worry about that. So this one is very beautiful. This is a French design. It has some writing on it that's in French. And it has the lilacs and the butterfly. And the other side is the same, just so you can see that. I didn't show you that on the cat, but it's the same on the cat. And again, 14-inch drop here, so it easily goes over your shoulder where you can carry that with you with your groceries in here or whatever you're shopping for. 16 inches across, 15.5 inches down, okay? And then we have something different. They have aprons. And the aprons are $6.99. And this apron I had just opened it up. I actually filmed all of this and it didn't record, so I'm redoing it. So this is the apron that I chose. It says meow. And here comes Blue playing with the strings. And this goes over your head like this. And then the drop here, now I used to work in a commercial kitchen. So if you don't like this drop, you can take this and you can tie a knot in it and make it smaller for yourself. So, but isn't that adorable? It says meow. And then you would tie it around your middle. And then these kind of aprons are nice. You can stick a towel here and that type of thing. So Blue is loving the string. So the aprons are $6.99. And like I said, you can find many, many aprons. All right, you can't take it with you, Blue. You can play, but you can't take it with you. He's excited about those strings. And then I have, hang on a minute. Blue knocked that on the floor, and I don't want them to get dirty because if you all choose that as your giveaway, then I don't want it to be dirty for you. And look at this one, y'all. This is the same style bag, but look at that. It's Snoopy and Woodstock. And it's, rendition of Starry, Starry Night. Isn't that adorable? Same on the other side. I just love it. Who doesn't love Snoopy? Who doesn't love Snoopy? Okay, so those bags are $5.99. And like I said, the apron is $6.99. Then they also have these bags that are $12.99. And this is the bag that I chose for the giveaway. So this bag, it's very beautiful. They have maybe 6 or 8 designs. Some are striped, some have polka dots, some have reversed, like this. This comes with this beautiful ribbon on it. And you can tie that in a bow or whatever you'd like to do. There are these very nice handles, a little bit different than the other bags. These very nice handles that You know, this is over, very comfortable handles. And this bag is 16.5 inches wide, and it's 12 inches from here to here. And this bag also, look at how this opens. It has pleated sides and a pleated bottom, and this bottom is about 6 inches from here to here. And it's black, so you may get a piece of fuzz on there. You may get some fur on there, just so you know. And then the inside, look at how nice and big the inside is. And there's also a zippered pocket in there, which is nice for a little bit of privacy. So if you take this to the beach, you can throw your towels in there and everything. You could throw your keys and credit card in there maybe and keep it safe with you. So, and again, you can, well, this is falling off, but you can take this off or leave it on. It's very pretty. This one is $12.99. And you can also get this style. They have initials, just like an M or something. And I didn't want to get an initial because this is for the giveaway. So if you'd like to enter this giveaway, then go ahead and say the name of the company, which is WISKF. And you'll have to spell it properly to win. This was a gift from them, and they are wanting me to do this giveaway because they, like I said, because they liked my video. So this is the giveaway gift. And I also am going to pick a second winner. This is my own doing, you know me, and giveaways. I'm going to pick another winner, and you can choose the Snoopy bag, the butterfly bag, the cat apron, or one of the bags from the last video. Now, one of the bags was taken, and it was, were there 5 bags? I think there were 5 bags. This particular bag, I got this one for me. So if you are the winner, hang on, I'll get the other bags. All right, let me show you all the bags again. This bag I picked for you, for the giveaway, for someone to win. This is the bigger bag, okay? Now I'm gonna pick 2 winners. So if the first winner doesn't pick this bag and the second winner wants this bag, they can have that. So that's bag number 1. This one is the butterfly bag. This is Snoopy. And then also you could also pick the apron if you'd like to have the cat apron. And then from the last video, I believe there were 4 bags and somebody won 1 bag. So we have, from that, we have the snowman left, and we have the beautiful green bag with the 2 black cats, and this other beautiful cat bag, the artistic cat. Okay, so I'll pick 2 winners. The first winner gets to pick. The second winner gets to pick. Okay, so that is what I have. It's just the usual rules. This was provided by the company WISKF, WISKF Company. They have a fabulous website. I'll put it below. Please go see them because you will be amazed all the designs that they have. And this gets shipped to you from China, but it didn't take very long. I think it took less than 2 weeks for me to get it. And if you do shop and you buy anything, MARY05OFF will get you 5% off your bags. And last time they had a deal, if you bought 6 bags, I think you got 1 free. You bought 5 bags, you got 1 free, so you got 6. You can do that. Whatever's going on their website, go ahead and take advantage of those sales. And I'm not sure that they'll let you have the 5% off with that, but you'll see when you're doing it. I know a few people bought bags last time, and they're just wonderful. Like, look at this bag. You can use it, like I said, throw this in your trunk. Use it when you go shopping, because so many places don't give you bags anymore, or you have to pay for them. And this way you always have these in your car. You can use this for the kids to do an overnight at grandma's. You can use it for many, many things. Like I said, this the bigger bag, you can take this to the beach. You can take this in the car for a picnic, for a ride, put snacks in here. For a day trip or something. You can take this, you can use this as a bag, as a purse if you want to. There's that little private pocket in there, And you can use this as a purse if you need to, if you want to. It's a little big for me for a purse, but some people like big tote bags. And the apron is just a lot of fun. You can use that and throw it in the wash. And these bags are wonderful for your Christmas gifts, for your birthday gifts. You know how you go to, even if you go to the dollar store, you're spending $1.25 on a paper bag that everybody throws, they rip it off and throw it in the trash. I do try to recycle those if I'm somewhere. I try to grab them and recycle them. But this bag, for $5.99, they get a nice bag besides their gift inside. And it just, like I said, I've told you this last time, you can put your gifts in there, put some tissue in there, and you can tie the strings and nobody will know what's in there. You know, do like that so that they can't see inside. Then you hand it to them, hand it to the grandkids or your daughter or son or whoever, and they get this bag as well. So they can throw that in their trunk if they're an adult. They're just wonderful to have, and they're easy to take care of. And they're really good quality. Like I said, I had shown you the stitching is really nice stitching. They're put together well. They can hold quite a bit of weight. So again, this is 16 inches wide, 15 and a half inches this way, and 14-inch drop. And the other bag is 16 and a half inches wide this way, and then 12 inches deep, 6-inch base. And I don't know if I measured the handle on this. I don't think I'm a 9-inch. This is a 9-inch drop here. So, but it still goes over my shoulder. So they're great bags. So look into them. I'll put all the information below for the website, and also for the bags that I have today, I'll put them below as well. If I find the links for the others, I'll put them in as well. So you can go directly to these bags. If there's a bag here that you really must have, I'll put the links below. And thanks for stopping by. And y'all, all right, I was telling you the usual United States, continental United States mailing address for the winner, 18 years or older. These products were provided by WISKF company, but they are not responsible if something gets lost or stolen, and neither am I. I will get a tracking number for you from the post office, and everything should be just fine. It's just YouTube is not responsible for this either, and that's it. I think that's everything. So I always have the rules in the description. This will run for a couple of weeks. Y'all, this is gonna end around Thanksgiving, so give me a couple of days, because I might not remember to pick right at Thanksgiving. If I do 2 weeks, it'll be the Saturday after Thanksgiving, so give me a day or two to get a video up, okay, of the winner, of the winners, and then you all will get with me and pick which bag. And that's it. So thanks for stopping by. Thank you to WISKF for these wonderful bags. They're beautiful, and I'm so excited to share them with y'all. I really am, and I think they make great gifts. You can, you can just buy a couple of bags to give to your mother or somebody that has to go shopping and can't, and they don't, like when I go to Chicago to see my family, we have to bring our own bags to shop. So anyway, thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.